Today we start a new chapter of trigonometric functions. We discussed a few points of the theory, relations and functions, but we will go in detail later. Today we start trigonometric functions. You can see a figure OA is the initial line, starting line. OB is the final line or terminal line, finishing line. Angle AOB, you can see, we call it some theta. AOB. Now it is in the anti-clockwise direction. So it is positive. Here O is called the vertex. Now here angle AOB is measured clockwise. So angle AOB is minus of theta. Now here angle XOY is 90 degrees. Here angle XOX dash this way is 180 degrees. Here XOY dash this angle is 270. Then angle XOX after one complete revolution is 360 degrees. So one revolution is 360 degrees. Important idea, anti-clockwise direction is positive, clockwise direction is negative. So if you go like this, it is negative. If you go like this, it is positive. Now we consider radian measure of an angle. Here there is a circle with the center O and radius R. AB is an arc of length radius r. So the length of AB is r. Then there is an angle subtended by AB at the center. You can see angle AOB. That angle is called 1 radian. So 1 radian denoted by 1, then C above, is the angle subtended at the center by an arc of length equal to the radius of the circle. Now we can see the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. The radius is r, the circumference is 2 pi r. Now 2 pi into r means 1 radian. So 2 pi into 1 radian will give you 2 pi radians. 2 pi into 1 is 2 pi, and that is 360 degrees. So 2 pi radians is 360 degrees, or pi radians is 180 degrees. It's important result. So pi by 2 is 180 by 2, it is 90. Pi by 3 is 60. Pi by 4 is 45. Pi by 6 is 30 degree, and so on. Now here is an idea. 180 degree is pi. If you divide by 180, you get 1 degree. So 1 degree is pi over 180 radians. Here we take pi to be 22 over 7. Now 1 radian is coming here. If you divide by pi, you get 180 by pi degree. It is 180 by 22 into 7 degree. 22 by 7. It is 57 degree 16 minutes. Understand, 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts called a minute. So 60 minutes. And 1 minute is again divided into 60 seconds equal 60 seconds. So 1 degree is 60 minutes. 1 minute is 60 seconds. It is exactly similar to our business, our time, our minute, second. We take a unit circle. Unit circle means radius of the circle is 1. Now O is the center. P is the point XY on that unit circle. So if you draw PM perpendicular to OX, you get OM equal to X, PM equal to Y, and OP equal to 1 radius. Now this is a basic idea. OM is X, OP is 1. Therefore sine of X, this angle is X. Sine of X is opposite side Y divided by 1. cos of x is adjacent side x divided by 1. So sin x is y, cos x is x. So this is x, this is y. Opposite is y, adjacent is x. Always x is along the x axis and y is along the y axis. So this is an important result. Sin x is y, cos x is x. So sin squared x plus cos squared x, it is y squared plus s squared. Y squared plus s squared, Pythagoras theorem gives you 1 square or 1. So result is sin squared x plus cos squared x is always 1. Cos squared x is 1 minus sin squared x. Same thing. Sin squared x is 1 minus cos squared x. Same thing. So always sin squared x plus cos squared x is 1. Now we move to that result. Sin squared x plus cos squared x is 1. If you divide by cos squared x, cos squared x, cos squared x, you get sin squared by cos squared is tan squared. Cos squared by cos squared is 1 equals 1 by cos squared is secant squared. So the result is 1 plus tan squared x is secant squared x. Now if you divide sin squared x plus cos squared x equal to 1 by sin squared by sin squared is 1 plus cos squared by sin squared is cos squared and 1 by sin squared is cosecant squared. So 1 plus cos squared x equals cosecant squared x. Now we move to the triangle. This is angle A, this is angle B. We observe angle A plus angle B is 90 degree in this right triangle. Now we usually represent the opposite side A, opposite side B, opposite side C of the angles A, B and C. That is, opposite side of angle A is denoted by small a. Now angle A plus angle B is 90 degree. Now you can see sine of A is opposite side A by hypotenuse, so A by C. Now if you look from here, this is adjacent side by hypotenuse for this B, so it is cos B. So sine of A is cos of B. Similarly, cos of A is sine of B. So whenever A plus B is 90 degree, that property comes. Sine of one angle is cosine of the other. Here we say B is the complement of A. A is the complement of B. Now, sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta because theta and 90 minus theta, when you add, you get 90. Cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta because 90 minus theta and theta added is 90 degree. 90 minus theta plus theta is 90 degree. So whenever A plus B is 90 degree, sine of A is cos of B, cos of A is sine of B. Remember these simple results when we analyze more. Now we consider an important result. That is the unit circle, radius 1. A is the point 1, 0. B is the point 0, 1. C is the point minus 1, 0. D is the point 0, minus 1. Now P is the point AB on the unit circle. Now if P is the point AB, we have seen sin A of P is B, this fellow B, and cos A of P is A. Always sin goes for the y coordinate, cos goes for the x coordinate. Now if you take 1, 0, actually angle is AOA. AOA means there is no angle. So sin 0. Now we told you sin goes for the y coordinate. So sin of 0 is 0. Cos of 0 is 1. X coordinate. If you go for B01, sin of AOB. Sin of AOB is sin of 90 degree. Sin means the y coordinate, so it is 1. And cos AOB, cos 90 degree is the x coordinate 0. Now we move to C, minus 1, 0. Angle AOC is 180 degrees. So sin of angle AOC is sin of 180 degree is the y coordinate 0. and cos of 180 degree is the x-coordinate -1. Now we move to D, 0 minus 1. Sine of AOD, it is 270 degree. Sine of 270 degree, sine means y-coordinate, so it is -1. And cos of 270 is the x-coordinate 0. Now, after one complete revolution, you get again 1 0. So sine of 360 is the y-coordinate 0. Cos of 360 is the x-coordinate 1 after one complete revolution. Now here is an idea. 90 degree plus 0 is 90 degrees. So sine of 90 will be cos of 0 and cos of 90 will be sine of 0. Using this result, a plus b equals 90 degree means sine of a is cos of b and cos of a is sine of b. Now let me wind up the lesson. We wish you the best of luck. Make sure that you work harder at home and at school and follow all the principles we give. Now in the long run, we will be doing more problems, harder problems, but basically we have to understand the fundamental principles. Best of luck. Make sure that you pass the message to your friends so that many will be benefited. Thank you very much.